That'd be kind of cool to bring a little New England to North Carolina, like, you know, do like we do at camp, like a lobster thing where you can come and shop and whatever, get a lobster.
Now you're creating an event that's a loss leader on top of a loss leader.
I can buy lobster for cheap. I can buy lobster for cheap.
You can't get it here for cheap.
No, your dad drives it down for me.
Okay.
Just get that, listen.
You call your dad.
Let's bring 1,000 lobsters.
Are you hungry? Do you need a donut? Let's get him something to eat. Holy shit.
What? What? Bro, we are here in North Carolina at this epic facility, which I just toured, by the way, and I was blown away. I haven't been down here for a few months, but unbelievable what the team is doing down here. Look at that, bro. That is magic.
Yeah.
That is magic.
So basically, before when we started designing this product, we set that waistband in 6 different operations. Right now, we are setting the waistband with this folder that we designed in one shot, in one operation.
That's awesome.
You know, so.
You see that, Justin? This used to take 6 operations, so 6 different steps. Now, what Kenneth did is he put this Frankenstein together, and you do it all in one step.
Yeah.
Which is
That's exactly
awesome.
right. We are saving a lot of time over there and money.
A lot of time and money. What unbelievable is, like, you know, you have a vision in your head for the way something might look at some point, and it's realized.
So one of the biggest changes is how we're managing the workflow, and I think we really struggled that for a little bit in the beginning. Oh. I can't help it, I have an addiction.
A Red Bull?
Yeah, I got an addiction, man.
He's drinking poison. Look. Yes. I walked to the factory earlier, and it looks, I mean, number one, it looks freaking unbelievable.
It is.
God, you guys done such a good job. The most important thing is the customer. It's the most important thing. Delighting the customer. So the customer doesn't give us value for anything behind what they see. They give us value for Made in America, but they don't give us value for the changes we're making or the sacrifices we're making as we try to lean out. They don't give you value for that. They only give you value if that shit's in stock. Get the shit in stock and I'm a happy camper, right? So as long as we're doing that while leaning out and driving our inventory position down and not ballooning our inventory to 14 million like we did last year, right? That sucker ballooned. It sucked all of our cash into inventory. And then we had to spend the last 6 months course correcting it. So it probably feels like a little overswinging of the pendulum.
I don't think we've seen the full course correction yet. I think
No, not yet.
Because raw materials, and like garments with our externals, we had made such big commitments that
last year.
Right.
Yeah, we're still paying for
We're still paying for that. So as we lean out our externals, that's going to make a big difference on the finished goods inventory. But here in North Carolina, the biggest savings is going to be in raw materials.
We're writing a story of the reclamation of America, of the revival of America, of the renaissance of American manufacturing. We're writing that story, and it's an important day today and tomorrow because we're gonna go through what that looks like, the direction we're gonna go, the bets we're gonna place.
The professional Patriot exercise, it was actually fun seeing everything come in because I really wanted to see how different people's perceptions were. The comments I got back from people, it was more than just sending in pictures. It was like some people really put some thought into this.
No, I struggled with this. I probably worked on this for a week. I left it open on my computer and I revisited as I was like thinking and just having experiences with customers and hearing things. And
it's not necessarily what they do, it's a little more who they are than what they wear.
He's not lazy, he values time, so he's not going to spend a lot of time on fashion.
They are suburban, we've talked about that a few times, suburban or small town.
Patriotic provider, largest group, middle-aged, married men with mid to high income, strong traditional values.
They vote all the time with their dollar. Super patriotic, loves America. They care a lot about their family, a lot about their faith, a lot about their health.
He adores his family, he's passionate about his family, and he truly believes in America, and he's gonna represent that in every corner of his life and in any way he can and wherever he can.
They're a driven person that is going to be successful because they're motivated to have an impact in whatever it is that they do.
This is important to me, I think, and when we represent our brand in our fabrics and in photos and any type of display of origin. Like it's still really gritty to me. It's very earth, raw, and I don't think we're anything unless we have this, and so that's why these are important to me too.
Awesome.
And our customer.
I think that was a really good exercise, and I don't just want to like move on quite yet, Trav.
Okay.
Everybody's right. Like I think everybody's right. You know, and I think that's why in the brand standards I presented earlier, we can't lock down a single archetype. Because Jack, actually, the everyday hero, the maverick and the magician, that whole thing is right. Like the brand means something like to these folks. They are in it with us. They are in it deep. And we're talking about what, kind of like what he might wear and what he might look like, but I just think it's really important that he's going to invest in anything we bring to market. We fill his soul because he's part of the mission and story, and he knows that. So I think we just got to be really disciplined that we don't take advantage of that. That's what I'm trying to say. So we have to make sure we're building really thoughtful things and do the right things for the right reason.
Are you serious?
I don't know nothing about
think
it.
it's funny, guys.
I don't know
it's
nothing
not even
about it.
funny. If you guys set anything up out there, I'll kill you all. I will fire. I will kill you. Murder. And I'm not joking. It's not funny.
A big fat black snake got into the building. They captured it. Amanda's scared to go out on the floor because she thinks there are other snakes or they set them up with a snake. And she's scared of snakes, even though she actually has her degree in wildlife ecology.
I will die. I'm not going out there. No.
Murder!
Murder.
It's just a little snake.
No, it's not. No.
There's no snakes, man.
Nope.
We need to go walk the floor.
Nope.
It ain't the snakes, it's the problem.
Nope. Nope. Right now, it's you guys are the problem.
Yes. I go right there.
Making sure they have work across the whole.
That's it, man.
What does winning look like?
Oh man, what does winning look like? I don't know what winning looks like. I only know what progress looks like. And not getting complacent looks like. I don't know what winning looks like. Is that 10 factories and 1,000 employees? Is that 100 factories and 10,000 employees? Is that, I don't know. Is that 1 million pairs of jeans a year? I don't know if there's a way to quantify what winning looks like. I think when we change the direction of America, when it comes to America's abandoned manufacturing communities, I think that's winning. when the world knows and the world wakes up and there's an awakening of, wow, what have we done to ourselves? I think that's winning. I think that's going to happen. I think Origin is the tip of the spear. That's it. Go get some. This will be the deciding factor right here.
Bad idea.
Hey, got a question for you. What do you think about on our tent sale in North Carolina, bringing like 500 or 1,000 lobsters down here and doing a lobster feed for the people that show up?
I don't know. Yeah, let's do it.
All right, Joe says go.
I ain't scared, that's for sure.
He's not scared. All right, we're discussing it. I'll let you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, like 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes before you want me to do it.
Yeah, Roger.